Will quantum computers replace most classical computers by 2040? Let's find out. Quantum computers will replace all classical servers by 2040. That's false. They'll complement, not replace, classical systems. A quantum computer can browse the web faster than your laptop. That's false. They're built for complex math, not everyday tasks. Quantum algorithms are better for solving complex optimization problems. That's true. They excel at finding the best solutions fast. The future is a hybrid model where classical and quantum computers work together. That's true. The QPU will act as a specialized accelerator. Drop your score in the comments and subscribe for more challenges.